do our test. Big things make small things make
I sounds.
I hate doing this. Should I try? You want to do it? Yes? Yes? But it's dangerous for me. Should I do it?
Yes.
But I'll ruin this handsome face. Should I? That's all I got. Here we go. Is my mustache still there?
No.
So that's a small thing. But maybe if I, what do you think's gonna happen if I put this long straw back on it? What do you think?
Low sound.
Let's see. So you can make that straw oboe. It's kind of fun. But you guys seem like really nice kids, and I brought an animal. It's my science chicken. But if you make fun of it, come here. I need your help. Come on. Thanks for volunteering. It takes courage to volunteer. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Come on. All right. I love the other stockings. Turn this way. So this is my chicken. How does a chicken sound? I love that. Can you do it twice? Come on, do it again.
I don't know how to make it too.
Yeah, you did. Bark, bark, bark. Go on, try it. Good. Now put your wings in. That's perfect. Let's see if we can do it. Ready? Do it again. Do it again. Twice. So that's kind of cool. This is my chicken. And put your fingers on there and tell them what it feels like. What'd you feel? It feels wiggle, wiggle, she said. That's like vibration. Hold on the string. Hold on the string. How does that feel? Same thing? Or you try it. Put your water down. You got it? Squeeze it and pull. Give her a round of applause. Thank you. You know what? You can make this with a very scientific cup and a wet, hydrated sponge and a rope. Take a bow. Okay. Thank you. One more. Thank you. Now here's try it. Sure. Lift that one up. Why so sad? Do it.
I'll do it.
Electric shock treatment.
Yeah.
This is so here I got it going through the light bulb. If I take the light bulb out, go ahead. And now he's going to be the light bulb. Watch his hair.
I see the spot.
We're going to science show in just a few minutes, guys. But anybody wants to get shocked, your fingers. There we go. You got it. You're bitching. Who else? Anybody else?
Free shock therapy.
Safety starts at 3. It's not 3 yet. Hey, your fingers. Hey, let me see your fingers. Let me see them. They'll be fine. They'll fall off tomorrow. Wanna try it? All right. Watch out. Oh, you're scared me. Hey. You get a nice little bite? Go ahead, yeah. Look at me. Put them on there.
Look at me.
All right. Whoa, she's quick. Who's next? Who's next? Michael Faraday invented this. Oh, there you go.
There you go.